Today I will show you how to add multiple photos to story on Instagram, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now there are two ways that you can add photos to story on Instagram. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to launch the Instagram application, and you're going to go to your home page or your profile page by clicking on the icon at the bottom far right. Now once we click on that, the first way to add photos to your story would be to go to your actual story itself, and that would be the plus sign around your display icon where it says ask friends anything. You're going to click on that plus sign, and once you click on it, it's going to move to add to story. Now you can see where it says recent. On the far right of the recent, there are two boxes that overlap each other. You're going to click on that box, and here you're going to see that you have the choice to choose multiple uh, photos as your story. And you can see I've just chosen 3 photos as my story. Once I click on the next button at the bottom far right, click on the arrow, it's going to bring me to edit these photos, and I'm going to click on done. Once I'm done, now I have these 3 photos as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the arrow again that goes the forward arrow, and once I click on it, it's give me the option to share to my story, to my close friends or message. I'm going to choose the story option, and I'm going to click share, and it's going to say I'm going to click not now for this. And just like that, it's already been shared to my stories. Once I click on this, you can see that I have multiple photos that I've chosen on my story. The other way to do it is to come to the bottom where you see the plus sign in the middle of the navigation. You're going to click on that, and instead of post, you're going to click story. And once you click on story, you're going to go to the far left, the bottom far left, where you see a dialog box of the images on your device. You're going to click on that, and here you're going to go through the same process. You're going to select this and then choose the images that you want to post, and it's going to go through the same route, and you're going to be able to post to your story. Now that's how to share photos to story on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.